Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Monday, July 12th. So just some updates for this point in the year, what's kind of going on around here, things you should be looking forward to, and some save the dates. So campaign kickoff is coming up. That is going to be Wednesday, August 18th. It's an evening event. It's going to be at the Max, which is the former Max Welton Braes site. Still the golf course. Max Welton Braes just renamed the banquet space the Max over in Bailey's Harbor. So we are looking forward to that. Invitations will be going out soon, and you'll be able to find all the information here on Facebook, YouTube, other social media channels as well. So I know some of you saw we had some staff updates. Melissa Andrews has left. She was our mental health navigator. That was a grant funded position through a grant with the Department of Public Instruction. And we are just waiting right now to see if that grant will be renewed. But either way, please rest assured the STRIDE program will continue. STRIDE is our school-based mental health program, and we have other staff who are able to oversee that program if for some reason we do not receive that grant. So that grant allows a mental health navigator, whoever Melissa's replacement is, to be directly in the schools, working with the parents, the teachers, and most importantly the students to get access to mental wellness. So we have a plan B just in case that grant funding does not come through. The state budget was approved last week, so hopefully we will know in the next few weeks on whether or not we will be hiring that position. And then some of you may have also saw that Julie Heimbecker, who was our admin and graphic design position, that she moved on to another position as well. So we're doing some restructuring here. We're going to be hiring a director of operations, and we're going to be looking to contract with someone for some graphic design work. So if you know anyone specifically in the area of graphic design that might be interested in contracting with us, please have them contact me, 920-746-9645. Otherwise, shoot me an email, Amy, A-M-Y, at unitedwaydc.com. So that's kind of what's going on with staffing. Wanted to just put that out there, ease everyone's mind. We're okay, and that all of the services and programs you're used to will continue. And our change with the adding a director of operations is really to help us stabilize. We've grown a lot over the last 4 years and really want to continue to be the best United Way that we can be for all of you. I know I've mentioned it before, but we've been doing weekly videos with the partner organizations that we're funding each week, and those can be found here on YouTube, our Facebook and YouTube. And last week I had the pleasure of talking with Christy Wisniewski from the Memory Care Services Program, a program over at Door County Medical Center. And that was a great program to learn more about. And then this week we're going to be hearing from the Sexual Assault Center. So we're going to be hearing about the prevention services they provide, and then also the services that they provide to victims and their families if a sexual assault should occur. So be on the lookout for those. This is the best way that you can learn how our donor dollars are being invested in the community and the difference that they're making in our community. We end each interview as well talking about ALICE, so Asset Limited Income Constrained Employed, and how our programs that we're currently funding are directly impacting those that might be within that ALICE budget category, because we really want to start better understanding ALICE and better understanding what our programs are currently doing, but also what those gaps might be. So this is a way for us to learn and for all of you to learn at the same time. And then I have a request. So the last few weeks you've heard me talk about the fact that we are now licensed to process EBT Quest Food Share at the Sturgeon Bay Farmers Market. And I worked the last few weeks. We had some volunteers this week, and I am just looking for a few more volunteers to help out on those Saturdays. So every Saturday between now and the middle of October, we will be at the Sturgeon Bay Farmers Market from 7:30 in the morning till 12:15, 12:30 in the afternoon. So about a 5-hour commitment. So if anyone is looking to help volunteer, it's a great social experience. Trust me, get to talk to lots of friends, lots of all of you. Stop by and say hi, which is great as well. But most importantly, helping people get access to local fresh food. And that is the really important part of why we are providing this service, so that anyone can slide their food share card and get those tokens to support our local growers, our local producers, but then in turn have that local produce, honey, syrup, breads, and meat, all sorts of good stuff that they can have. So if you're interested in volunteering, please reach out to me. Our number again here is 920-746-9645, and my email again is amyamy@unitedwaydc.com. That's all I've got for this week, folks. Have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.